Good morning, children. In the previous class, we did few sums from exercise 2.7. In today's class, we are going to continue the same exercise and complete it. Now look into the fifth question. Find 7 divided by 3.5 is given. So I can write this as 7 divided by 35 by 10. Yes or no? Because here I have only one digit after the decimal point, so I can write 3.5 as 35 by 10. Is it clear? So what you have then? 7 into 10 by 35. So do you remember the division of fractions? When we have two fractions and when we want to divide them, we will change the division symbol to multiplication symbol and we will take the reciprocal of the second fraction, right? In the same way I have did here. Okay, next thing what we have to do, we have to see whether we can cancel anything here. Yes, 35 and 7 we can cancel. 7 ones are 7 and 7 5s are 35. Now cancel 10 and 5. 5 ones are 5 and 10. 5 2s are 10. So what is remaining here? Only 1. And here it is 2 by 1. So it is same as 1 into 2. So what is the final answer? It is simply 2. Is it clear? The next one is 0.5 divided by 0.25 is given. Now write 0.5 as 5 by 10 divided by 0.25 as 25 by 100. So is it clear? Next step is write this one as it is. Change division symbol to multiplication symbol. Take the reciprocal. Now we have to cancel it. Okay, you can cancel 10 and 100 in 10 table. 10 tens are 100 and 10 ones are 10. And you can cancel 5 and 25 in 5 table. 5 ones are 5 and 5 5s are 25. You can again cancel 5 and 10 in 5 table. 5 ones are 5 and 5 2s are 10. Is it clear? So what is remaining here? Nothing is remaining. And here it is 2 by 1, that is same as 2. What is the final answer? The final answer is 2. Is it clear? So coming to the next one, this can be written as 765 divided by 10 divided by 15 by 100. Is it clear? Here we have two digits after the decimal point, so I am dividing it with 100. Okay. So you can write this as 765 by 10 into 100 by 15. So again cancel, symbol become 10. Cancel this in 5 table. 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10. So what is remaining? 765 into 2 by 3 is remaining. Cancel 3 and 765. 3 ones are 3. 3 2s are 6. 1 is remaining. So join with this 6. So you have 15 in 3 table. 2 5s are 15. 1 will be remaining. Join it with this 5. You will again get 5s are 15. So what is remaining? 255 into 2 is remaining. So the answer is 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10 plus 1. 11, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. So 510 is the answer. It's clear. Coming to the next one. This can be written as 378 by 10 into, divided by 14 by 10. Okay. So what you have? 378 by 10 into 10 by 14. Okay. In 10 and 10 will get cancelled. Cancel 14 and 378 in 7 table. 7 2s are 14. 7 5s are 35. So what is remaining here? 2 is remaining. Again you join the 2 with this 8. You will get 4s are 28. Okay. So 54 into 1 by 2 will be remaining. Then cancel 2 and 54. You will get 2 2s are 4 and this remaining 7. Okay. So 27 is the final answer. So this is how you will do the division of decimal numbers. This is the next question. A vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 km in 2.4 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? Okay, so with 2.4 liters of petrol, the vehicle is covering 43 kilometers, 43.2 kilometers. So what we have to find is how much distance it will cover with 1 liter of petrol. So what we have to do here? We have to divide. Okay, so let us start doing. What is given in the question? Distance covered with 2.4 liter of petrol. So how much is that? 43.2 kilometers. Then what is asked? Distance covered with 1 liter of petrol is asked. So how to do this? You just have to divide 43.2 with 2.4. Is it clear? So how to do this? You can write this as 432 divided by 10 divided by 24 by 10, right? So again you can write this as 432 by 10 into 10 by 24. Cancel out 10 and 10. Cancel 24 and 432 in 12 table. Okay, because 24 will come in 12 table, right? So you have 12 2s are 24, and here coming to this one, 43 is 12. 43 will not come in 12 table. We have 36 in 12 table. 12 3s are 36, right? So what is remaining here? 7 is remaining. So 72. 72 will come in 12 table or not? Yes, right? 6 are 12 6 are 72. So what is remaining here? 36 is remaining. Here nothing. 1 by 2 is remaining. So what is half of 36? 2 1s are 2. 1 is remaining. 8. Okay. So it covers 18 kilometers with 1 liter of petrol. Your second chapter gets over. Thank you and have a nice day.